If your body looks like this and you want it to look like this, watch this.
No shot, no gimmick, no gimme look. No plan, go get it, no giving up. No gas, get a mask like give it up. Gotta get it, gotta kill it like fill it up. No drop, no wait, no hold on.
Now I know exactly how you're feeling. You go to the gym, you get a nice pump, and when you leave, you go back to your original thin body frame. People call you skinny, but you can't really take off your shirt because of the fat hanging around your stomach. You try to eat to gain weight, but you gain even more fat around your stomach. And when you try to lose, you get even more skinny while having the same belly. If this sounds like you are lucky, because I have been through the exact same thing. And after years of researching and trying different things and countless errors, I finally found a solution. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 6 things that helped me get from this to that. Number 1 is heavy compound lifts, such as pull-ups, deadlifts, bench press, basically lifts that train multiple muscle groups at the same time. Number 2 is progressive overload. I remember before when I used to go to the gym, I would do random workouts with random weights. The next time I'll do completely different thing, and there's just no systematic approach to it, which causes your body to be confused and not to be sure, okay, do I need to get stronger or I need to relax, and so on. So your body is smart, treat it like that. Number 3 is cardio, or low intensity cardio, at least 40 minutes a day. And this is one of the most important things that will help you reach your goal fast. Number 4 is diet macros. And the diet macros for this specific body type is exactly like that. 30% protein, 60% carbs, and 10% fat. Now, of course, you don't have to follow it religiously, but if you want the fast results, this is the macros to follow. Number 5 is abs and core exercises. Now, you don't want, after you get down to this low body fat, to find out that there's nothing. Because of course, abs is a muscle exactly like all the other muscles, needs to be trained. So make sure you train it at least 2 to 3 times a week. Number 6, focus on weak points. And for this specific body types, it's exactly the upper chest, the shoulders, the traps, the neck, and the calves. And finally, learn to enjoy the journey, not the destination. Get that new gym bag, new gym clothes, whatever it takes to get you to go to the gym consistently and make it a part of your lifestyle. Now, if you want to be coached by me personally, I have very limited spaces in my online coaching. Make sure you click the link somewhere around this video and schedule a one-on-one call with me. Also, let me know in the comments below where you're tuning in from. It is always nice to know. Otherwise, if you have received value from this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and also the notification bell, which will allow you to get a notification once I upload a new video with free tips for your specific body type. Because I'm dedicated to hold you accountable to make this year your best year yet. But for now, ciao, and see you in the next video.